Welcome to Volvo video, my 2003 Volvo XC90, and in this video I'm going to be chasing the anti-skid service required message. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my multimeter, my power probe and my test light. I'm going to go underneath, check all the connections of the differential module, see if we've got powers and grounds, and check the voltage on the CANbus lights as well. So I'll get underneath and we'll get set up. So this is the differential module. And I can definitely hear power, and there's a couple of connectors up there, and I believe this is the one that we're after. There we go, that's the one towards the front of the car, and that should expose our four wires. And because I don't know, well, you can see this. That's it. Liberate the wire. So let's have a look. I just set the camera down. So there's a multiple connector, and there's four wires. There's a red and blue, which is the live feed, the brown, which is the earth, and then we've got the green and white CANbus wires. So I think what I'll do is I'll front probe it. So just connect up so I can never got a suitable earth. I can always use I've got my power probe connected here. So I should be able to check the ground on this one, which is this pin here. So let's have a look. Oh yeah, check it. That's live. So yeah, there's definitely power getting through to there, and so check for it. The best thing to do is see if I can do a check for an earth. Use the forget the multimeter. I can get voltage across. Yeah, across the wires. I don't know whether you'll be able to see this. Is maybe a bit awkward. So I'll set the multimeter up on the ground. I'll be able to see it, and we know that one's the earth. So we should be getting battery voltage. Checking for power and ground, and I'm getting absolutely nothing. So it could be just a bad ground. This could well be the problem, but I'm just getting absolutely nothing. There's power to. I'm sure I could hear power to module. If I just plug it back in, I should hear the module power up. No, I thought I could hear power, but it could be just a bad ground. Okay, I'm back, and I made a bit of a mistake. so long since I used a power probe, so if you can see that, there you go, and if you can see green light, that means there's an earth. And not showing voltage. Yep. So yeah, not showing us voltage. Just move the switch to test. Get a red light for power and a green light for ground. So yeah, powers and grounds are definitely good to this module. So next thing I need to do is check voltages to the CANbus wires. So I've got me, well, you can see that. Might have to move it down a bit so you can see the multimeter. Now this power probes has got a ground wire, so I'll use that for ground for the negative side of my voltmeter. And just to prove the concept, it's set on voltage 20 volts. If I just probe the live wire, I should be getting something. Let's look. Just make sure everything's good. Let's have a look, just check that. Yeah, it's set. It's on DC voltage. I think you can still. Yep. Still not getting anything. Just check it's working. No, it's become disconnected as me ground. That's why it's come off the crocodile clip on this. So if I get a good ground. And that's the ground wire. There we go. 11.94, so that's good. So we'll test this. One's a CAN high, one's a CAN low. I think the green's the high. So I'm getting 2.16 volts there. Yeah, 2.96. So yeah, the white's the high. So there's definitely voltage there. So that means, and another thing should test is resistance. I really should do it with the battery disconnected, but let's have a look at. It should be 60 ohms across the CANbus terminals. So, like I says, you're supposed to do it with the battery disconnected, but so look to make sure I'm getting yeah, I'm definitely getting resistance there. So front probe. It's a bit difficult doing this while holding these. I'm not really getting an accurate reading, but it's irrelevant, I suppose. So I'll just plug this back in, because I think we're safe to say that it's a differential module. So I'll just plug this back in. Connect it back. So power's getting through 100%. We've checked the integrity of the wiring. There's the readings there. I've not done a resistance of the CANbus system, because obviously the rest of it's working fine. So I don't think there's any issues that way. So I'll come back to you a bit later on and decide what to do about this faulty module. So it's quite a number of days later, and I can't remember where it was. I think I did mention I'd spoken to a Volvo specialist, and they confirmed it was the differential module. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to live with it for now. It's otherwise fine. So that's basically the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.